Hello everyone, this is Seah once again. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to play with a new toy from Miss Chief Workshop. I'm not sponsored by them, by the way. So this is a cleaning tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm trying to use this cleaning tool to wash my window G space, because we have been using this machine for all the events and we have not really cleaned up the group. So now this is a chance for us to see how this one works, and then we see whether it can clean and how dirty the group is for now. And before we continue, do consider hitting the subscribe and like button now. It does help us a lot so that we can continue to make a lot of good video for all of you. Right, so I think okay, let's flush some water to see whether it is actually very dirty, and then we'll decide whether we want to use the back flush agent to clean. So let's remove this packaging. Alright, so this is something that we can use it to lock, I believe, like how you work on as a polyfilter. Okay, so basically this is just to lock it. Alright, so let's try to flush. Let's just do a 9 bar pressure. No, the water doesn't look dirty at all. Oh, this is pretty interesting. So let's try again. So you can see the spring is actually being pushed down. So as you flush the water is trying to push down the piston. Alright, you can see the sediments are actually coming down. So now the spring push the water back to the group for cleaning. Now we will use the back flush agent. So let's take out the group. Okay. Okay, 1 spoon will do. 1 teaspoon. Let's lock it back up again. Okay. So now let's see again. 9 bar. Okay, we're going to do this a few times. Okay, so let's do it one more time. One more time. By the way, the pump is not the pump due to the pump of my machine. It's actually the flow jet which I use to pump the water in. Okay, let's do one more time. Okay, let's do one more time. I think we should be able to see that the water is clean. Okay, you can see now the water is clearer. Still has some sediments because I think the backflush powder is not totally dissolved yet. Right, so we'll run one more time. 9 bar. So this will actually work like a blind basket. You can see now the chamber is clear. There's still a little bit of fine sediments inside there, but generally there's no more coffee stains that's inside here. So this is actually pretty good. You can see the whole column is now clean. On the whole, I think this is a very interesting gadget. It's like a fun tool to check whether your group is actually dirty and you need to do back flushing. So you can actually flush it with clean water first without any detergent or the backflush agent, and you should be able to see whether your group requires the use of the backflush powder. So I did use some of the powder to try to clean the group, and now let's see again the underneath of the group without this device, and then see whether the water comes out is clean. Let's take it out. You can use this, right, to slowly push it so that it's removed. Okay, now let's flush some water. This is a very good way to check whether your commercial machines at work it's actually cleaned thoroughly. So this one, we have just backflushed this machine. So now you see, look at the water quality. See the water. Right, it's transparent totally and colorless. So this is very good. A job well done. So I think on the whole, I'm pretty happy with these gadgets. If you want, you can try to get this gadget to clean your espresso machine, and you can actually decide whether you want to use the backflush agents or not by checking the quality of the water that's being pushed out. And it's easier for you to see as it pushes more water than your normal blind disc, because when you do blind, you can't really see how much coffee ground is actually trapped. So with this transparent things over here, you can definitely see it better. So I hope this helps you. I'm definitely not promoting or trying to push the sales of this item, but I think it's a good gadget you can have. It's an optional thing. I think the blind basket is still working very well, just that this will help you do checking, especially if you do have a commercial machines and you push a lot of shots on the machines. I think this is a good thing to have. So this is CY, thanks for joining. I'll see you in the next video.